This is step 5 of the Accordion Card Wallet tutorial from my Etsy shop, Komono Studio MKE. Let's walk through how to assemble the accordion style pockets. Step 5-1. So here I've got pocket pieces 1 through 4. They're all folded and pressed, and I've marked the stitching lines with an erasable pen. I'm starting with pocket 1 and 2. Place them together so the folded sides are facing together and clip them in place. Now sew along the center line of pocket 1 to join the 2 pieces. Start stitching about 2 inches from the bottom, and when you get to the end, backstitch a few times to secure it. Keep the needle down, pivot the fabric, and stitch along the next side. Stop about 2 inches from the top. You'll use this same technique for all the pockets. Step 5-2. Repeat the exact same process with pocket pieces 3 and 4. Again, make sure the folded edges are touching before you clip and sew. Step 5-3. Next, grab pocket 5 and place it on the right side of your interior fabric. Use the small holes you made in step 3 as a guide for positioning. Once it's in place, pin it down and sew along just half of the center line. Step 5-4. Now we're going to connect pocket pieces 2 and 3 to each other. Put them together, smooth sides touching, and clip them to hold everything in place. Sew along the side lines you marked earlier on the folded side of pocket 2. Then do the same on the other side. At this point, pocket 1 through 4 should all be connected. Step 5-5. Time to attach everything to pocket 5. Clip pocket 4 to pocket 5. Smooth sides together and stitch along the marked side lines. Repeat on the other side, and now all 5 pockets should be connected to the interior fabric. It's really starting to look like an accordion wallet now. Step 5-6. Fold pocket piece 1 in half and clip it to hold the shape. Carefully lift it away from the other pockets so it doesn't get wrinkled, and sew along the line marked on the folded side. Repeat for the other side. Step 5-7. Now take pocket pieces 3 and 4 and clip along the long edge. Sew about 1/16 of an inch or 1 to 2 millimeters from the edge, super close, but be careful not to go off it. Take your time here. These narrow seams are all about accuracy. Do the same on the other side. Step 5-8, next up. Pocket pieces 1 and 2. Same idea, folded sides together, clip the long edge and sew about 1/16 inch from the edge. I like to use a bunch of pins here to keep everything from shifting while sewing. Repeat for the opposite side. Step 5-9. Finally, pin pocket 5 to the interior fabric, lining it up with the holes you made earlier. Use plenty of pins to keep it secure. Then sew close to the long edge, again about 1/16 inch or 2 millimeters from the edge. And that's it, your lining pockets are done. Go ahead and test them by sliding a credit card into each one to make sure everything's stitched correctly. That wraps up step 5 of the Accordion Card Wallet tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy sewing!